All right, so a viewer of us asked for an update, 1 month from now, kung kamusta yung panliner, kung nagstay ba, nag-blurred, or nag-fade, you know? But why wait 1 month if we can check it now, right? If you guys remember, ito yung kit na binild ko a few months ago, and as you can see, panel-lined siya because I panel-lined it with our makeshift panel liner. And as you can see so far, andyan pa siya, yung panel line. They are still there. They haven't vanished or faded for now at least. And yeah, so the panel liner that we made using acrylic, water, and soap do stay around. But depende rin I guess, sa consistency of how much paint, water, and soap. So, di ko rin masasabi kung ito ba talaga yung mangyayari sa lahat ng batch na gagawin nyo. So, yeah. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga mag-stay yung panel line nyo, top coat. Top coat. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano gumawa ng sarili nyo panel liner, watch the video below, there's a link. And watch that right now. Or else.